Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you how to remove and how to replace your climate control, guys, switches, traction control switches, hazard light switches. All that is right here, guys, the whole assembly. It comes in one piece. Stay with us and we'll explain, guys, how to do that. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, guys, if you need to buy new switches, replacement parts, anything like that, we'll try to list the links in the description of the video below. You can see where you can get them for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So check it out, guys. Everything will be there. So let me show you now. Those are the switches, guys, out of that 2015 Dodge Dart. Yours may look a little bit different if you have the single climate control switch, but they may look just like that if you have the dual climate control switch. So we'll go ahead, start on it. A few things will need to come out and we'll show you guys what needs to be done now. So let's start on it. So what do we need to do now, guys? Okay, we need to get a 7mm socket. This is, guys, 7mm. Okay, let me focus here quick. This is a 7mm socket right here with the electric screwdriver, so it can save us a little bit of time. And if you come under the steering wheel right here, there is one screw that we need to remove. Okay, you can see this one here. Perfect. Okay, this one's coming out. Now, what else we need to do? Right here, guys, okay, we have one cover that we need to pry open. I would recommend to use only plastic panel removal tools. We have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, what you're going to do, you need to get underneath. Okay, let me pass the camera quick here so I don't drop that thing. Perfect. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips that we need to remove. So with that being said, guys, what else we have? Here we have one more bolt that we're going to remove. Then we have one more over there. Things started looking better now. What else we need to do, guys? Okay, right here I'm going to get the panel removal tool, and okay, we're going to pry here a few clips open. Perfect. Now I'll come on this side over there. Let me just see. Okay, it will take me just 1 second. Okay, perfect. And that trim piece, okay, came out just like that, guys. You can see all the way loose. So next step, guys, once you get that piece loose, okay, why we needed to do all that? Because right here underneath you have one bolt, okay, that we'll need to remove. That bolt is with 7mm, guys, 7mm socket. Okay, so let's go ahead, get it loose. Perfect. Okay, check it out. Now with that being removed, guys, I'm going to turn. Okay, I'm going to actually put the car, okay, turn the ignition on, put the car, okay, neutral. I'll put the emergency brake on, okay, all the way. And now we will open the glove box, guys, and here you have a few clips that you need to go ahead and pull. Okay, check it out now. Okay, and looks like nothing's holding on this side. I think we just have clips, guys, holding everything in place. Perfect. You can see how tight everything is. Okay, extremely tight. Now we need to, guys, disconnect the cables. How we do that? Okay, right here we push in and we slide that blue piece over. Okay. We almost hit it, guys. Give me a second. Okay, so I can actually. Okay, check it out now. You just need to press the center piece in. Okay, there is like a tooth. Okay, now slide it over. Okay, like that. Pull it out. Now on the bottom we have the socket here. Okay, you can see that socket for the cigarette lighter. Press in the middle. Okay, right here. Disconnect it, guys. Now that piece we can get it out. What I'll do, I'll just go ahead, put it in park, make sure that you don't roll on a hill or anything, turn the ignition off, guys. The safest thing, actually, even removing those so you don't burn anything electronic wise, you can override the switch, okay, to put it in neutral, okay, without starting the car. We have a video how to do that. Just search on our channel for Dodge Dart stuck in park, how to put in neutral, and you can find out, guys. But you have to be extremely careful not to roll on a hill. Make sure your emergency brake works. Put tire chokes so you don't roll on a hill or something like that. And let's continue now with the next step. Now right here, guys, you can see climate control switches, guys, traction control, hazard light switches, all that is right here. That's one piece. Practically, guys, you did not have to remove any of that. And I didn't know for sure. We tried to get it out, we couldn't, guys, with a plastic panel too, and we didn't want to damage our vehicle, so we didn't know. But you can practically just pry them open like that, guys. Okay, and you have a few clips on the bottom, and you can pull it out without all that disassembly. But better, guys, okay, better be safe than sorry, right? Because otherwise we won't know. And you just have, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, and this is, guys, the climate control assembly, okay, with the traction control switches and everything else. So as you can see, not too complicated, guys. You can make it way easier. It just comes out. We didn't know about that for sure, but that's a good thing, guys, to watch the video until the end, so that way we can save you some headache, guys, and you know how to do almost everything on your car for free. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next time.